I'm here. I'm eating the Jack in the Box Breakfast Jack. It's like $2.39. Cheapest breakfast item they got on the menu. Pretty good. It's like a Egg McMuffin from McDonald's, but it's a breakfast Jack. Honestly, okay, camera. Honestly, pretty thrilled with it. Comes on a regular bun. Oh. There it is. Regular bun, ham, cheese, egg. Quite delicious. No. So worth it. And I feel way better than I do whenever I eat their croissants. Whenever I eat their croissants, I feel so tired. Breakfast Jack, feeling fine.